trial reels, how long should I be leaving that on before then sharing it with everybody? So for people who aren't listening, there's this thing called trial reels on Instagram where you can send it out to non-followers, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're putting your reel up there only for non-followers to see. And what is the purpose of that?
So the purpose is that they want you to be able to test out content before you publish it to your feed.
Okay.
They found that there were a lot of people who wouldn't dare push content out because they're like, what if my people don't like it? And then like I mess stuff up. So trial reels are kind of awesome because Instagram's saying, hey, I'm not going to show this to any of your followers. This is all going to be non-follower reach. What does that mean?
That's amazing.
That's amazing, right? So the right way to do it now, and this is new because they just made some changes. So when it first came out, I was like, just post as many, just download all of your old content and post as many trial reels as you can.
Okay.
Because why not?
Right.
And so now that trial reels have been going for a while, now you can only do five a day.
Okay.
And
well, that's a lot. 5 a day is a lot. Okay. I think we're good on that.
But if you're posting old content, anyway, and then the other thing is that it can't be a direct copy from old content. I mean, it can, but it won't push it out as far. So even if you're just changing the hook, right, or just changing a little bit, because it wants you to use it for what trial reels is supposed to be used for, which is to test new content.
Makes sense.
And then as far as like knowing like when to like publish it to your feed after you do a trial reel, I actually just let it ride. I just let my trial reel go as far, and then if it's a good one, I will post it. I will post as a new piece of content to my feed.
Okay, so you only post it if it's doing well in trials. Otherwise, you just trash it?
You could just let it go. You don't have to do anything. You can
Okay.
Okay. But if it's not doing well, you don't need to publish it. Yeah.
And how long do you keep it in trial before you publish it?
I would just keep it in trial and then if that content is doing well,
right,
you just upload it as a new piece of content, not push public from trial to...
Oh, okay.
That's what I do.
That's a good idea because then it keeps showing it to non-followers, right? If it's still in trial. Thank you for watching this short clip. To watch or listen to this episode in its entirety, view the description below. See you next time.